Hey guys, just want to talk about tires. For me, I think we all know tires are the most important thing in going fast. Yeah. For me, it's important to take care of them. And what I'm doing right now is, I just came from a big race yesterday, and so the tires are a little sticky with the compound and the dirt. And so I'm just cleaning them up with, this dry skin lotion with aloe vera. So if it's good enough to soften my hands, then it should be good enough to soften the tires and condition it. I find I like it. The tires seem to like it as well. So just, it's good. It's good. It cleans the traction compound off the tire as well as the dirt. And at the same time, I feel it kind of conditions the rubber, gives it a nice feel. Yeah, so these are clean and it's still nice, clean, and yet feels grippy. Yeah. So, so I just put on a little and just clean it and then store it. I store it in this containers I buy in department stores. Keeps the air out. I think tires, when the rubber meets the air, it oxidizes, and from what I read, that causes the tire rubber to degrade once it's exposed to light and air. So I keep it here, and also it prevents the tire from being crushed. So if it gets pressed, how the inserts get crushed, warped, the tire is not round. So if you keep it here, the tire is protected. It keeps its shape, it's not squashed, it's round. Yeah? So this is for tire maintenance. And then tire storage, and let me show you where I keep most of my tires. Here. So I keep my tires in here, in my old ref. A bunch of tires, more tires, and even more tires. Yeah, tires everywhere. All right. There's even more tires here. Yeah, more tires. Box is full of tires. So tires inside plastic, dark plastic to prevent the light, and inside my ref to keep the light out. it's an old ref, and it's not plugged. So I just keep my tires in there. Keep it nice and cool and fresh. Reason being is, I don't have the budget to buy tires for racing. So I need to make sure my tires last a long time. It's good enough for club racing. So normally I get tires, hand-me-down tires. So the serious racers will run, maybe one set of tire will last them maybe 3 runs in a club race. 3 runs of 5 minutes. And that can get very expensive. I cannot afford that, or I don't want to spend that much. So, once the tires don't work for them, they're kind enough to just dump it to my pit table. That's their garbage area. My pit table, hand-me-downs, good enough, we do what we can to just keep playing the hobby with whatever budget we can, right? It's not. This is not professional for us. It's hobby. Alright, so what else to share about tires? So Then I remember, once I've cleaned them, store them before racing, maybe check if they're still glued and apply glue. These tires are pretty good. The gluing as well, so they're good. What we use here for touring is Rush. So it's a very good tire. People like it. It's more or less our standard tire here in the Philippines. Rush touring car tires. Anything else to talk about with regards to tires? Clean, maintain. I guess that's it. Yeah. For now. Clean the tires. Yeah. Make sure. Maintenance. Tire maintenance. Love your tires. This is what keeps your car on the road and affects your handling 80% of the time of your entire setup. So make sure you put enough care into your tires. We all put so much care into our touring car setup, but sometimes we forget about taking care of the tires, and the tires are the most important part in terms of performance. All right, so it's not adjusting spring shocks, cambers all the time. We have to take care of the tires. Yeah, so that's what I do after a race. Clean it, store it before the next race. Don't leave it exposed into sunlight or air. And I'm done. Third set. 4 more sets to go before I call it a night. I have to have the discipline to clean my tires off and store them, keep them happy, and give me the grip I need for the next race. It feels so good. It feels nice and clean, yet still sticky or grippy feel, even though this is like a lanolin. Now it's also good to clean my hands with it. See, keep my hands soft and the rubber tires soft. Yes, and this is cheap. It's like $1.50, 88 pesos or something in my country. All right, that's the secret of the slow drivers. No, I'm not necessarily slow, but all right. See you in the next video. Bye.